Hello everyone, my name is Santosh Ugondaunrao. Today date is 1 March 2022. Today our topic is effects of COVID-19 on environment. Climate changes came into our life due to the lockdown already uh, commenced commenced impacting our environment in myriad ways. Both the positive and negative indirect effects of COVID-19 are affected on the human life, environment, and animal life and climate changes presented by different researchers and studies. Uh, it is noticed there is sudden reduction of greenhouse gases. Uh, uh, Greenhouse gases emission as industries, transportation, and companies have shut down. Air pollution had also decreased as the vehicle were inside the houses. Along with people, it was computed that nearly 50% reduction of nitrogen oxide and carbon monoxide occurred due to the shutdown of heavy industries also. Emission of nitrogen oxide from the burning of fossil fuels like petrol, diesel, and then natural gases fuel indicates a sign of reduction in many countries. It is a key pointer of global economic activities. Acid rain is basically caused by nitrogen oxide with the interaction with oxygen and water, for which several respect, uh, respiratory diseases occurred. But due to pandemic, there is uh, reduction of all this in many countries worldwide. Flights were cancelled. The international travelers are restricted to enter and depart due to the nationwide lockdown. 90% of air travel dropped from a similar time last year globally, which has tremendous impact on the environment. It is enormous helps withstand global climate change for the less consumption of fossil fuel. Further, more water pollution is a common disaster in countries like India and Bangladesh, where industries and household wastage are dumped into the river without any procedure. But the but it is was stopped or reduced during pandemic as major number of industries were shut down. For example, Ganga and Yamuna have reached a significant level of purity in India. Likewise, there was also a sharp declaration of noise pollution, and many benches were cleaned around the beaches cleaned around the world. Also, the animals were seen back in cities. On the other hand, there were also negative consequences shown in the environment. During the outbreak of COVID-19, medical wastage generation was increased globally, which was the threat of public health and the environment. For the sample collection of the suspended patient, uh, diagnosis, medication, and biochemical wastage are produced from the hospitals. It becomes a challenge for the local waste management authorities to tackle the situation to protect from the viral infection. A mask, hand gloves, and other safety equipments are used, but due to the lack of proper knowledge, most of people dump this in open place, causing harmful effect to surrounding their and are direct effect on air, water, and soil pollution, increasing the rate of municipal waste, both organic and inorganic. Uh, Moreover, the natural moreover the natural ecosystem and different flora and fauna are at great risk for the lockdown ordered by different countries. Different uh, protected areas, including natural parks, marine conservation zones, and worldwide sanctuaries, etc., were left monitored as two people who worked in places were stuck in their homes. It is increased issue like wildlife hunting, illegal uh, deforestation, and fishing activity. We must must understand the COVID-19 is a remember to indicate the relation between the human being and the environment. So, to prevent future outbreak, we must must address the threats to ecosystem and wildlife, including habitats loss, illegal trade, pollution, and climate changes. Um, all about the information about the effects of environment on COVID-19 situation. Thank you.